Sarap ng pakiramdam paggising mo, meron ka ng sobre dito sa aking table. Oh. Tignan mo, paggising ko, guys. Pero na ako. Oh my God! Wow! Guys, ang ganda, oh. Why there is a cliff? Oh my God! Wow! I'm gonna keep going. Should have been 500, but I couldn't. Kaya pala meron. There is a cliff. Why there is a cliff? Someone there is for someone very special. This card is come to say how extra special you are in your wishes. A birthday that is amazing, special, and you are. Wow! Not a fraction of what you mean for me. The most special lady of all. Cannot express how much you mean. Hope you have a wonderful day with love and love. To me, to your family, and to mine. The Lord smiled on me that they are fast. Cross love you always. Happy birthday! Ang sarap ng pakiramdam pag may taong nagmamahal. Wow! Hindi mapigilan ng luha kasi pati sa panaginip ko nakasama ko ang nanay ko. Thank you, Lord. Hi guys, meron na naman ako natanggap na regalo bukod sa partner ko. Ayan, meron na naman akong natanggap na regalo. Ayan. Titingnan natin. Oops, ayan. Ang ganda guys, birthday wishes. Gardener kasi kaya garden. Oy, ang ganda ng card. It's a beautiful card. Happy birthday, Erlinda. Have a very happy birthday. Doing the things you like the best. Making special memories to add to all the rest. Have a great day. Love, Denise. Ayan, for my neighbor, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda niya, oh. It's a beautiful card, guys. And then this one. Oh, a sexy naman. Nighty, guys. A sexy nighty. Aba, gusto niyang maging, ano pa ako ha, magsusot ako ng sexy nighty. Baka may mangyari. Ayan, eto guys, ang regalo sa akin ng aking, neighbor. So, thank you for your watching.